Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a WorkForce Pro WF-4725. Now if you're not already on the home page of the printer, just press the home button there. You'll be presented with something like this. Now we're going to use the touchscreen, scroll along till we see maintenance. We'll press to go into maintenance, and ink cartridge replacement is the fourth option down, just hidden as we go onto this screen. So we press to go into that. We need to click through a couple options before we get to the point where we want to replace the ink cartridges. Okay, so when you see this screen, you're ready to go. You can lift up the top of the printer, and when your printer is settled with the cartridges within this little cutout bit here, you know that you're okay to change the cartridges. Just apply pressure here, lift out your cartridge, and then we pop in our replacement cartridge, press it down till we hear a click. There we go. And then we can lower the top of the printer again. Now using the handles at the side. Now, if you'd actually replace the cartridges, rather than me sneakily popping the same one back in, you'd have all full bars now on everything you changed. If you're using compatibles, like I've been in this video, you will get a little warning there saying you're not using the genuine ones. But that's okay. You just press next to continue past this. A couple of additional warnings. And eventually you'll be presented with this replacement completed page, and press OK and carry on using our printer as normal. Now, I hope you found that useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.